Hello there, I am Blizzard. I live here in the ice and snow. This is a typical day in my life. Come along and see. Oh, look at the sky. Orange snow, yellow snow, très beau, very beautiful. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Today is a perfect day for a hike. But wait, hiking makes a snowman hungry. My belly empty. What can I eat? Cold air? Let's try. Bouncy, fast, wee. Gone already. Snowflakes! I ate some yesterday. Very sparkly, very tasty. Maybe. Fun! But not enough. Frost! Crunchy frost. I feel energy. And gone again. Branches! I ate branches once. Took forever. Very slow. Not today. My arms are fine. For now. Carrot! Crunchy carrot. My nose is perfect. I must keep it until spring. I know what I need. Something cold, crunchy, and long-lasting. Icicles. I saw some before, but where? Ice everywhere. Ice floes, mountains of ice, but no icicles. Not one. This is tricky. Very tricky. Cold is fun, but not snack time cold. Maybe over there? No. Too icy, too slippery, not crunchy enough. Oh, I need something better. A snack for champions. Something really good. Big snow, tall snow. Snow that looks like it's been here forever, but still no icicles. Maybe the mountains know? Or the trees. They're quiet. Good listeners, though. I will not give up. Hiking takes energy. I need crunchy, cold, lasting. My belly says icicles. My heart says icicles. My mouth wants icicles. Trees. Hello, trees. Did you see any icicles? No? Okay. I like your snow hats anyway. Maybe a house. A snow-covered house. Ooh, look at that house. Snow on the roof. So cold, very cold. Maybe inside. I wonder, could it have icicles? Oh wow, look at these icicles everywhere. Crunchy, cold, perfect. Energy, lasting hours. I can hike now. I can explore now. I can talk now. Forever. This is my place. My icicle place. Vadiya. Very Vadiya. I'll visit this icicle wonderland every single day. Maybe twice. Maybe 3 times. I've got to stay happy and full. Oh, what a day. Snow. Icicles. Hiking soon. Très beau. Perfect day. Perfect me. Perfect winter. Oh, and bye. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe and like. I hope you like this video. Bye.